As is the case in most major metropolitan areas around the world, the streets of Brazil's biggest cities are becoming increasingly crowded as more cars, trucks, and buses take to the roads every year. The stop-and-go traffic, heavy loads, and hot tropical climate add up to create an increasingly challenging operating environment. While modern trucks and buses are better designed to withstand these demanding conditions, their more advanced technology requires special care and maintenance. To keep this equipment on the road and operating reliably, fleet operators must consider many factors when servicing a vehicle, such as how long it will be on the road, the range and cost of products needed to do the job, and even the expected residual value of the equipment when it comes time to sell it. In the end, it all comes down to what makes the most sense financially. For lubricants, this means fleet operators often want to use a product that can cover a wide range of vehicles and provide extended service intervals to optimize their maintenance practices and ensure an acceptable return on investment. This is why it's important to use a lubricant formulated specifically for harsh operating conditions, one that excels in coping with high temperatures, protection of components, and the effects of aging. To see how a variety of gear oils handled real-world conditions, Lubrizol conducted a field trial with 5 commonly used types of gear oil and ran them in a bus fleet in Rio de Janeiro to see how they performed. For the test, Lubrizol chose 10 buses from a typical bus company fleet that ran a series of routes around the city. The following are commonly used product types used for the experiment: a lower quality GL5 product, lightly tested, lightly proven, and the cheapest available. Lubrizol's GL5 product, properly designed additive technology, extensive testing, fully proven. Lubrizol's Total Driveline lubricant, a type of product with a wide range of drivetrain uses, such as the gearbox and axle. Lubrizol's Thermally Stable lubricant, a product formatted to meet the requirements of axles and transmissions, sustaining high temperature operation. And Lubrizol's Dedicated Axle lubricant, a gear oil, unlike the others, that has been specifically designed to be solely used as an axle oil in commercial vehicle applications. To ensure a fair and controlled test, Lubrizol field test experts installed identical brand new axles into each of the 10 buses. These buses then ran their normal routes around Rio de Janeiro, picking up and dropping off passengers over a period of many months. Lubrizol sampled the gear oil from each bus at regular intervals until each bus logged 250,000 kilometers. The results of the test were very clear and showed a direct correlation between the quality of the lubricant and the condition of the axles. Both GL5 oils produced high levels of wear, with the cheaper version of this oil performing the worst of all. Fleet owners using these types of products run a substantial risk of component failure and the inability to implement an optimized maintenance program, both of which negatively impact business profitability. Incremental improvements in component protection were evident in the vehicles that used the Total Driveline and Thermally Stable fluids. However, the Dedicated Axle lubricant provided the best performance of all, showing clean parts and only minimal wear. Modern and globally oriented specifications like SAE J2360 and MB 235.20 deliver enhanced performance beyond conventional and outdated API GL5 specification. Dedicated axle lubricants deliver even further performance with additive technology that is specifically designed to surpass the new and toughest requirements of equipment manufacturers. This real-world test demonstrates the benefit of higher performing gear oils to the Brazilian market. It exemplifies Lubrizol's industry-leading capability to not only develop products that meet or exceed OEM and industry-recognized specifications for specific conditions and environments, but also to validate their performance to meet our customers' needs for market-relevant products. The bottom line is, not all axle oils are created equally.